Confessions of a frequent flyer. The long and short of it. We've all been there. Crammed into a metal tube, hurtling through the sky at 500 miles per hour. It's enough to make anyone feel a little cramped, a little crazy, and a lot like they need a vacation from their vacation. Long-haul flights, my friends, are a special kind of travel beast. They test our patience, our sanity, and our ability to sleep in a chair that reclines approximately 3 degrees. But fear not, fellow adventurers. I'm here to share my hard-won wisdom, gleaned from countless hours spent soaring through the stratosphere. Consider this your survival guide to conquering those epic flights and arriving at your destination, refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to explore. Gearing up for takeoff. Pack like a pro. The key to a successful long-haul flight is preparation. This starts with packing the essentials in your carry-on. Think of it as assembling a survival kit for your journey through the skies. First things first. Comfort is king. A good neck pillow is a must-have for avoiding the dreaded head bob. Pack a comfy eye mask and noise-cancelling headphones to create your own little sanctuary of peace amidst the chaos. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Bring an empty water bottle to fill up after security. And pack some healthy snacks to avoid those overpriced and often unhealthy airplane meals. Trust me, your stomach will thank you. Airborne adventures. Staying comfy at 30,000 feet. Now you're airborne. The seatbelt sign is off and you're ready to settle in for the long haul. But before you drift off to sleep, or at least attempt to, let's talk about staying comfortable. First and foremost, move. Get up and stretch your legs every couple of hours to keep your blood flowing. The aisle is your friend, even if it means doing a few awkward lunges by the galley. Dress comfortably. Layers are key, as airplane temperatures can be unpredictable. Compression socks can also help prevent swelling and improve circulation. Hydration is just as important in the air as it is on the ground. Keep sipping on that water bottle and avoid alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate you. Time flies when you're entertained, beating boredom. Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges of long-haul flights is simply passing the time. But fear not, weary traveller. There are plenty of ways to keep yourself entertained at 30,000 feet. Load your phone or tablet with your favourite podcasts, audiobooks, movies, and TV shows. A good book is also a trusted travel companion. Many airlines offer in-flight entertainment systems with a selection of movies, TV shows, and games. If you're feeling social, strike up a conversation with your seatmate. You never know who you might meet. Landing like a champ. Healthy habits for a smooth arrival. Congratulations, you survived. But your journey isn't over yet. Now it's time to tackle the dreaded jet lag. The key to beating jet lag is to adjust to your new time zone as quickly as possible. So as tempting as it may be to collapse into bed upon arrival, try to stay awake until a reasonable local bedtime. Exposure to sunlight can help reset your internal clock. Go for a walk, soak up some rays, and let your body know it's time to adjust. Stay hydrated. Eat healthy meals. And avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can interfere with your sleep. And most importantly, listen to your body. Take it easy on your first day or two, and allow yourself time to adjust to your new surroundings. Remember, travel is an adventure, not a race. So buckle up, relax, and enjoy the ride. You've got this.